Henan Yuanda Boiler Company Limited is professional in industrial boiler and pressure vessel manufacturing. Established in 2007, is one of the enterprises which obtained a boiler manufacturing license in China. The factory is located in industrial district of beautiful Xihua County, Henan Province. Marketing office is located in Zhengzhou City, capital city of Henan. We have our own R&D team and cooperate with famous high-tech research institutes at the same time, which ensures our product in the forefront of technology and science. With more than 11 years' experience in boiler design, production, installation and operation, we have formed an annual production of 2,000 tons of industrial boilers and 5,000 tons of pressure vessels. By the end of 2017, the products of Yuanda Boiler has exported to more than 80 countries in the world. Our main products are 1. DCL coal-fired steam boiler and hot water boiler. 2. DZH wood-fired steam boiler and hot water boiler. 3. SCL biomass-fired steam boiler and hot water boiler. 4. WNS gas oil-fired steam boiler and hot water boiler. 5. YYQW gas oil-fired thermal oil boiler. 6. YLW coal biomass-fired thermal oil boiler. Yuanda Boiler has been committed to improving efficiency and safety of boilers to provide safe, energy-saving, and environmental-friendly products. We look forward to making a brilliant future with you.